Hey, welcome everybody. This is Average Guy DIY, and we're still Ubering our way to debt freedom. This video goes to show you how disrespectful people can be in your car, and that they're gonna trash your shit. Even the respectful people aren't gonna say shit about the damage that's been done to your car. One in many people is going to have the balls to stand up and say, hey, your car is fucked up, dude. Somebody did this to your car. In this video, I kick people out of my car.
Why are you playing that?
Yeah, just go ahead and hop out, man. I get a disaster of a mess. You better believe I'm charging that person big bucks for that mess. These ladies are at the ping. I should have known they weren't my ride because they had all their luggage next to a car. But I was like, huh, maybe they're just going traveling somewhere in town, don't want to drive since they've been driving all day. So I give them a few strange, weird looks. They look back at me and they're like, nah, dude, we're not for you. I drive around and I turn around in a circle and I finally get the message from the rider that, hey, I'm nowhere near the ping. You need to come to the back of the hotel. Typical. When I pull to the back, what do I see? Two people, two damn dogs.
Is she okay to bring the dogs with her?
Yeah, that's my life. Yeah, fuck you, truck.
It's just a short trip. Alright.
It is a short trip, like 3 fucking minutes. Look at that. She's got a full fucking Starbucks. I wonder what she's gonna do with that Starbucks. No. Do you see that placement? Right there on the hump where the fucking drivetrain goes through the middle of the back seats. No security.
I'm sorry about this.
No worries. Why do they always say they're sorry about shit? They're not sorry. They knew they should have ordered a pet-friendly Uber. One dog.
Right there.
Two dogs. Alright. Here's where I make the fatal flaw here. I was not paying attention to that drink. I was only paying attention to the dogs. This is partially my fault, but mostly her fucking fault. Secure your drinks. Drivers, make sure your passengers secure your drinks if you allow them. I usually don't allow food or drinks, but I fucked up because of the dogs. Good on you.
Thank you for letting me bring my dogs. I forgot to get the pet-friendly food.
No worries. And this chick distracts me with, I like this, I like that.
Oh, I like your gloves. You've got a pretty cool tattoo.
Alright, I guess we're here.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
You too.
Thanks.
Be safe.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is gonna take me a minute.
Oh, no, you're good.
Alright, now go. Sorry, message from you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. 10:45.
Alright, thanks. After this ride, I have no clue that drink is back there, and I go through an entire day of rides without anybody telling me about these drinks. Come on, this girl is sitting right on top of these drinks back here. Come on in, man. Want a sticker? Yeah, this dude becomes best friends. 2 rides in a row. Doesn't say shit to me. Hey, what's up, Spencer? Going back to the same place? Yeah. Park. Another girl sitting right on top of the cup. Doesn't say shit. Come on, people. Alright, this guy is a real tool. Going to St. Mary's?
Yes, please.
Alright, we'll get you there.
Alright, let's go through the park, though. So, straight, through, that way we don't mess with the highway.
First issue, telling me what to do.
The GPS gives you the fastest route, but if you want to, I'll go the wrong side.
Yeah.
Just go straight? You want me to go straight?
It's usually a nicer ride and all that stuff.
Sounds good.
I am not sounding good. I hate when people are smarter than me.
Alright, what we got playing? Is this,
Music videos from YouTube.
I should have known this was going to go bad.
anything to do with St. Louis or just in general?
Just random.
Oh, but let's skip this one.
Yep, I'm done. Can't tell me what to do in my own car. I'm sorry, you're just here for the ride, and it's like fucking 5 minutes.
Yo, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna end this ride. Hop out of my car for me.
Oh, sure, thanks.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know why you're playing that.
Yeah, just go ahead and hop out, man.
There's always a better ride right around the ping.
Yes, please.
All right, and what airline you flying?
Southwest.
Perfect. I'll get you there. My name's Mike.
Huh?
For Linda?
Yeah.
This guy doesn't look like Linda.
That's up for Alicia, right?
This is my hero, my very last ride of the day.
Somebody left their trash in my car. Awesome. Great.
This is what she found for me. I couldn't believe this shit all day long with this mess. But I got paid for it. $150 cleaning fee. Don't fuck with me. Well, for those of you that made it this far through the video, thanks for watching. If you look right down there, you can like, dislike, and even subscribe to the channel. All three of those things are going to really help me engage in the channel and grow. Coming up in the future, we're going to kind of do this micro dirty jobs type of thing where I switch gears and do a couple of different things, show you the DIY style of doing it. Number one is 90 days thick to fit. I'm going to show you everything that I've been eating, everything that I've been doing to work out to get myself in better shape before I turn 40 years old. Also, we are learning to weld before we turn 40. Welding is like the coolest thing I've ever done, man. I love it. I love burning that metal and making it happen and putting two things together. Stay tuned for those two things. The only way you're going to know when those videos drop is if you subscribe down there at the bottom. Quickest way for you to know, you'll get a notification right on your phone. Thanks again for watching, guys. This has been Average Guy DIY and Real Uber.